Here I have OPPO A58, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from internal storage to SD card on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Files application. So for example, you can transfer downloads, images, videos, audios, documents and others, and also apps. So let's transfer some image, for example this one. So you hold your finger on it, tap on three dots, then select if you want to move it or if you want to copy it. So let's copy this image, then select where to SD card in our case, and then select to which folder, for example pictures, and tap copy here. And now we have this image not only on our device's memory but also on our SD card, and here it is. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.